Today, we saw a giant mural of Lionel Messi and checked into our best accommodation of the trip. Today on World Trip Day 14 was a weird one because our bus from Rosario to Gualeguaychú left at 5:30 in the afternoon. So we needed something to fill the day, but nothing too crazy. We walked the streets of Rosario, and what I love about Argentinian cities, even in the middle of the city, there's heaps of trees everywhere. Rosario is also the birthplace of Lionel Messi, and they absolutely froth him. Look at this sick-ass mural. We finally made it to the small town of Gualeguaychú, checked into our Airbnb, and look how nice it is. We finally have our own space and a washing machine.